Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great. So today we will learn that how to use Abhivyakti's website. For that, go to Abhivyakti's website that is also mentioned in the description box. So here is a glimpse video of Abhivyakti. You can also click and watch the full video. So here's the Abhivyakti Ved. You just have to click on this and you will get to know each and everything about the events. I will also open this and share with you all. So it is the Abhivyakti PDF of 62 pages where you will get to know so many things about Abhivyakti. And here you will get index also to help you out with the PDF. And also all the events that are happening in Abhivyakti are mentioned here. Every event has a different event details link. If you click on that link, you will get to know each and everything about the event. And I will also open and show you all. So here you will get to know that what are the rules of the event, what are the judging criteria, what are the submission guidelines and many more. If you have any doubt related Abhivyakti, you just have to type that doubt in this section. Your doubt will be solved in few hours by the team. So in this website there are 4 parts: home, events, judges and facts. So now we will move ahead to events. And also here is the list of all the events. So now you just have to click on the event name to know more about that event. For example, I want to know more about the event just plated. So I will click on the event name to know more about it. So here you will get all the details about that event. For example, what is the timeline of the event, what are the rules of the event and what is the deadline of event. So now we will move ahead to the next part, that is judges. So judges for Abhivyakti are not decided yet. If the judges are decided, you will get to know each and everything about the judges in this section. So now we will move ahead to the next part, that is FAQs, means frequently asked questions. So all the frequently asked questions are solved here. Example, who can participate in Abhivyakti? How can I be a part of Abhivyakti? What is the duration of Abhivyakti? What is week 1? What is week 2? All the questions are solved here. And also, don't forget to follow Abhivyakti in social media platforms. And yes, that was all that how to use Abhivyakti's website. I hope you all understood that how to use the website. And yeah, thank you so much everyone for watching. Bye everyone.